Hey everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, we're going to see how we can enable two-factor authentication in your control panel. Let's get started. First, log into your direct admin panel. On the dashboard, click on Search for Pages. In the search box, type two-factor authentication, click on the option that appears. Click on the Generate Secret button. A QR code and secret key will be displayed on the screen. Open Google Authenticator or Microsoft Authenticator on your mobile. Scan the QR code or enter the secret key manually. The app will generate an OTP. Enter the OTP from the Authentication app into the required field in the panel. Then click on Enable Two-Factor Authentication. Your two-factor authentication is now successfully enabled. From the next login, you will need both your password and OTP to access your account. If you face any issue related to GoogieHost, you can directly raise a support ticket. To raise a support ticket, simply go to the homepage and look for the Open Ticket option. Our professional technical and sales teams will review your request and provide you with a proper solution as quickly as possible. I hope this tutorial was very helpful for you. If you have found this helpful, please leave a like and make sure to subscribe to our channel.